What's up guys, it's me Mitch002 of Xiaomi Review, and we got here another one of those awesome mystery box. And by the look of it, I think this is not a smartphone, but instead, I think it's another Xiaomi AIoT product. So, what are we waiting for? Let's open it. So as usual, opening those mystery box is pretty much exciting. I'm always excited when I'm opening one of these box, and I really don't know what's inside. But right now, we'll get to check it. Well, taking a peek inside, we can see there's always that nice styro from Xiaomi, wherein there's a engrave of the Mi logo, and of course, my favorite postcard, which says, "Hi Mitch002, it's time to discover our brand new Redmi Buds 3 Pro." Yeah, I can see it. Tell us what features of this product catch your eye. Team Xiaomi. Well, I'm not sure yet, but we'll find it out. So taking the product out of the mystery box, I can say that, well, it's pretty small. And I have here in my hands the all-new Redmi Buds 3 Pro. So how about let's take off the wrapper with my trusty blade. So just slice it a bit, and there we go. We can tear it off just like that. And reading some quick specs here at the back, we can see that it supports wireless charging up to 5 watts or higher. And also it has Bluetooth 5.2 as its main connectivity. And what's really nice with this one, it can support up to 28 hours of usage time together with the charging case. So I have here on my hand is the graphite black color. So there's another color, the glacier gray. So right now I'm opening the box. I can see the packaging is pretty nice. And we can see the clamshell case upon taking it out. It's pretty small. I can say that it's as big as it fits my palm. It's pretty small, it's pretty compact, and I really love it. Some other important things inside the box: the user manual, some extra buds, and your charging cable. So right now, let's take it out from its cover. Just push, and we got it. Looks nice. Pretty compact. So what's nice about this one, once you open your clamshell, you can see immediately on your Xiaomi phone, find Redmi Buds 3 Pro. And you can see it's easy to connect. All you need to do is just hit the connect button. So right now, I'm trying to connect it to my Mi 11 Ultra. So right now, it's connected and done. So you can see the case still has 98% of battery. The left and the right buds has 100%. So to make sure that it's connected properly, yes, it does. So right now, we'll connect it to my other phone, which is the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So connecting to my second device, all I need to do is just press the Redmi Buds 3 Pro, and of course, just pair it. And there you go. It's also connected successfully on both of my handset. Now you can see with the dual device connectivity of the Redmi Buds 3 Pro, both of my device is connected successfully to the buds. Now that's good news. I can now use two of my device with just one buds. Pretty cool, hey? So taking a quick look at the design, it's really nice. It's really small. Like I said, it's palm size. So underneath we have the USB Type-C connectivity. And opening up, we can see our two buds, the left and the right, of course. And I like the all-new design upon taking it out, since it has the all-new secure fit design, which of course is very welcoming to people who do a lot of workout, do a lot of cycling, running the treadmill, and of course doing some cardio and HIIT. So I took these buds for a spin, and of course running the treadmill and doing some cardio. I can say that these buds really fit nice on my ears. I tried to shake it a couple of times. It didn't even fall off my ears, which of course, very nice design, and it's very comfortable. I can say I tried to wear this roughly around 5 hours on my ears. I can't complain much because it is very comfortable. So what's nice about these buds, it has hybrid ANC technology, which is active noise cancelling technology. It even has 3 modes. It has the light mode, balance mode, and deep mode. It depends and it adjusts to whatever condition you are in. Right now, I'll be placing the buds on my right ear as well as my left ear. So what's nice about these buds, it's trendy, it's nice, and it feels good on my ears. Look, I was confident enough and I wore this Redmi Buds 3 Pro while I'm driving. And guess what? I feel safe because it has the transparent mode. These buds let me hear my surrounding while I'm driving. So that's pretty safe. You know, I feel very productive when I'm using these buds. Giving it a 10 minutes charge, it can last me up to 3 hours of usage. Pretty nice. And what's best, it can even support wireless charging. This is only available on premium TWS. If you want to know more about the Redmi Buds 3 Pro, head on over to my channel at Xiaomi Review and I'll see you on the next one.